Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show a small TEMU order that I have for, they're kind of smaller sizes, so I really wanted to show this little bundle because I really am loving a lot of these smaller ones. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So let me grab the first painting, and I'll be honest, some of these I kind of don't remember because when I first ordered a couple of these, a lot of these smaller ones, it was a bundle and I pretty much based it off of the image and not so much the size. So when I was organizing them, I kind of didn't remember the images. So whenever you first open any of these painting kits, they always come with the diamonds and a standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is just the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would need is to get the pen, press in the wax, press it on the diamond, which you pour in the tray. As you can see, the tray is a little grooved, helps you separate the diamonds. Press on the diamond, press on the painting, and voila, you have officially started painting. And in case you ever misplace this or if the tray unfortunately breaks, don't worry, your next diamond painting kit always has one of these. As I've said before, they always have your back. And these are the diamonds. Oh, first thing I saw is that blue. Blue is my favorite color, so anytime I can spot a blue, I get real happy. And oh, look at that, random orange. Sometimes some of these diamonds sneak in some random colors that you wouldn't expect. I really love those oranges. And this is the painting. And oh my goodness, that's where the orange would go. It'll go in these leaves on these trees. And over here, it's white. So I love any of the images that have snow. So I'm a big fan of this. And it's a little smaller, but it'll work out. It usually, even by this size, they work out and come out really, really nice. And I'm a big fan of that. I just love how they include the little orange. Sorry, I'm just fixing the plastic. It helps strain the painting a bit. As you can see, the creases on the actual painting. Whenever I've seen other diamond painters do it before, so I started doing it as well, and it actually does work. What it does is plastic, once you lay it back flat, as you can see, helps press down the creases a bit, start straining it a bit. Oh my goodness, this image is so pretty. You can see little houses in the background, little mountains of snow, the trees covered in snow, a little fence here, and a little river in the middle. I really like it. It's such a little happy image. And some information about the painting. It is WZ949 and it is a 20 by 30 and it is 14 colors. Oh, it's so pretty. I really like it. It's such like a winter wonderland type of image, and I really like that. And for just in case you cannot see this clearly, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it a little more clearly, in case if it's an image you might be interested in purchasing. And for all of these paintings, I'm going to make sure to put a link in the description below to direct you to the painting in case if it's one that you wish to purchase. So let me put this painting aside real quick. And this is the next one. And this one I do remember because of all of the colors. So, and you'll see it in a moment. And as well, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that dark teal. It's such a pretty color. Nice, light, kind of really soft pastel green. You can see the colors in the bottom. And, there's some minty green in the middle. Oh, I like these colors a lot. Teal is one of my favorite colors as well. So anytime I catch those, I get real excited. And this is the painting. And considering what's been going on, or actually, what has been going on around the world, having a chance to see the Aurora Borealis that's going through, this painting kind of inspired me a little bit when I picked it up. And it's so pretty. As you can see the little silhouettes of all the trees. This is a little lake in the bottom. It's giving a reflection of all of this beautiful color in the sky. And it makes me think of the Northern Lights that's going on right now. So, oh my goodness, I really love the colors. And yeah, that is so pretty. And let me get a little closer. Oh my goodness, that yellow is crazy. I love the blue that highlights it though. And some information about this painting. It is MYY215 and it's a 20 by 20. And this one's 15 colors. Oh, no wonder I saw all those teals and everything. They're all within the little highlights, especially with the red and the yellow. Oh, I really like this. And I love how the lake reflects it too, so I'm a big fan of that. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly if it's a painting you might be interested in. And let me put this aside real quick. And this is the next one. And this one, I honestly didn't remember it. And I'll show it to you in a moment. And as well, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, that is kind of really neon-y dark orange as you can see it. Oh, I love that. Love those bright colors. And there's a nice violet as well. Oh, there we go. A little hidden teal. It's always in the middle. I don't know why. A nice little dark pink in the middle. As you can see. Oh my goodness, I love all the different colors in this one. And the image is this. And I honestly didn't remember this painting. But I love butterflies, and that's why I have some paintings that I've completed and I've shown before with little butterflies in it. And yeah, honestly, I don't remember this, but I am so glad I did purchase it because I love the design of the butterfly and I love all the colors around it and the colors in the butterfly. I am a big fan of it. This image is so, I think I might work on this one next. I've been looking for a small one just to do on the side, because I've been finishing up some of my larger paintings. I think this one might work on the side. It'd be so pretty on my wall. Oh my goodness, I love this image. And some information about the painting. It is WZ529 and it is a 20 by 20. And it is 15 colors. And I love that little teal that's at the end. Oh my goodness, this painting is so pretty. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little more clearly. If a nice little pretty colorful butterfly is what you're looking at for your style. So let me put this, oops, sorry about that. Let me put this aside real quick. And it's the next painting. Sorry, I am still thinking about that butterfly. And so, same thing, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh, these are a little bit darker. I like the little cocoa brown here and the dark gray. And the random little orangey color here. Oh, I love that pastel blue. Oh, these are really dark range. I love dark colors as well, so I love these blues as well. And this is the image. Oh, I remember this one. It's a house in the woods with a bunch of snow. And I love how the lights are on in the house. As you can see, there are a bunch of trees in the background. I'm assuming they're fir trees because they kind of look like it. Here's a little fence, front of the house. Little trail in the snow. Oh, this is so cute. I think I'll start making this one around December because it's such a Christmassy, wintry feel. So, oh, I love this. I love snow. So any images I'm able to find with snow, I usually pick them up. So I really like this. It's so pretty. Ah, makes me happy just looking at it. The little happy house. It has the little smoke coming out of the little chimney up here, and it's just so cute. And some information about this painting. It is WZ963 and it's 20 by 30, and this one's 15 colors. Huh. Well, it kind of makes sense because the majority of it is blue, with some of the black highlighting it with the white of the snow. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I keep looking at it. I'm sorry. I really like this. And yeah, this one kind of surprised me. I kind of didn't remember it as well. Oh, and my apologies. Just in case I didn't say it, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. If a nice little cottage in the snow is more your style. And so let me put it aside real quick. And this is the last painting. And this one, flat out, I'm being honest, I don't remember at all. And so, same thing, standard kit. As I said, they always find you. And these are the diamonds. So, oh, I love this. Again, the nice dark teal again. Ooh, the nice little lilac in the middle. That's nice. Oh, yeah. There's like a bubblegum pink and there's lilac in the middle. Oh, my goodness. That bright Kelly green is so pretty. I like that. And this is the image. Oh, my goodness. It's a lighthouse. This is so pretty. And look at the sky. There's like a lot of pastel colors. Little lighthouse on a coast. There's a little house here in the background. And the greenery of the coast. And then a little bit of the ocean water you can see here. And oh my goodness, the sky is so pretty. You can see the setting sun here in the middle. I just love all the colors of the sky and the little random lighthouse. I've been buying as well from my larger painting lighthouses. I have no idea why I've been picking them up, but I am a fan of them. They're real pretty. But I don't know why it's been getting into a habit of mine of buying a lot of lighthouses, but I really like it. Oh, this is such a pretty image. And some information about this painting. It is WZ555, sorry, 84, and is 20 by 30, and it is 14 colors. Oh my goodness, I can already see that the sky is going to work up really beautiful with all those colors. Oh, this image is so pretty. Oh, I really like this. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen, just in case a lighthouse, a little cute little lighthouse, is a little style that you would like for a painting. And that's pretty much all I have for today. I just really wanted to show these paintings because some of them, as I said, I did recognize, and they're just too cute, so I really wanted to show them. And I got surprised by some of them that I flat out didn't remember. And as well, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask, if you can do the usual, if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know that there's still some people that really love these kind of videos. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.